As you know, besides where we are, out there in the forests, plains or anywhere that people consider wild, there are wild animals. So do you know what wild animals are? If you don't know, then in the next video I will talk about wild animals. In this video we will learn about the role of wild animals for us humans. Hearing this, you probably have questions about why wild animals have any effect on us. If you want to know, please watch this video. The roles of wild animals are many, so I will go through each role. 1 is biodiversity. All living things are part of a complex, delicately balanced network called the biosphere. In contrast, Earth's biosphere is made up of countless ecosystems, including plants and animals and their natural habitats. No one can fully know how species affect each other in the same ecosystem, but the disappearance of one species will cause a chain reaction, affecting many other species, especially for species that play an important role in the ecosystem. Their extinction can lead to unpredictable consequences. 2 is contribution to medicine. In the never-ending struggle for survival with other creatures, many wild animals have found countless ways to resist bacteria and cancer-causing cells. They can create novel molecules that chemists have never known. Understanding and researching this characteristic of species can help scientists find new, effective treatments for seemingly incurable diseases. 3. Agricultural benefits. Many seemingly useless creatures are also starting to show important benefits in agriculture. Farmers are using insects and insectivores to kill pests that damage their crops, as well as using plant varieties that contain natural toxins that repel harmful insects. They are called natural enemies, and in many cases, this is an alternative that is not only safe and effective but also environmentally friendly, and less expensive than synthetic chemical drugs. 4. Food supply. It is estimated that there are about 80,000 edible plant species, of which less than 20 species provide 90% of the world's food. If the remaining underutilized species were stockpiled or conserved, humans would have enough food to feed the growing population. 5. Environmental regulation. Many organisms are particularly important in assessing environmental quality. For example, the rapid decline in bald eagle and falcon populations in the mid-20th century served as a strong warning about the dangers of DDT, a powerful pesticide once widely used. Today, accumulates in the tissues of the animal's body, weakening the ability to reproduce and hindering the successful incubation process of these animals. Organisms with environmental indicators will warn humans about the impact of climate change and pollutants on the environment. 6. Economic value. Some benefits from plants and animals can be measured in terms of economic value. According to the Texas State Wildlife and National Parks Board, USA, birdwatching is the fastest-growing outdoor recreational activity, contributing an estimated $400 million to the state's budget each year. Research by the U.S. Department of Wildlife and Fisheries also shows that natural environment observation activities, not just birdwatching activities, earned $85 billion for the United States in 2001. 7. Intangible values. Besides their medical, economic and scientific and technical values, many wild animal species also bring inspiration to countless authors, artists and all those interested in diversity of the natural world. A series of photo exhibitions about wild animals and plants have been held around the world, attracting the attention of a large public. After watching this video, do you know about the role of wild animals? Currently, the environment of wild animals is threatened by a number of factors ranging from humans to external factors. So let's join hands to protect the wild environment as well as protect ourselves. This is the end of my video. If you find it interesting, please remember to ask for a copy and subscribe.